Rocker Pat here. All right, guys, it's another rocking day in the jungle. And what we are looking at here is going to be the winter project. I like having a car to try to make up and running for the winter time. Do all my metal work and everything and get started on the body work. I am hoping to have this truck running, driving, and legal, tagged and everything, painted and all by come spring, say March-ish. What's that give me, about 3 months, 4 months? Truthfully, I think if we had one other guy, me and one other guy could paint this truck in 4 weekends. Not a problem. Now after getting the metal work done. So what I'm going to start with is I've already got my floor pans fit. Today what I'm going to do, because I'm waiting on a radiator for this thing, by the way, I'm having a little bit of supply problems with radiators, having difficulty getting radiators right now. So hopefully your radiator doesn't go out. So what I've got to do today is I'm going to take this windshield out. We got quite a bit of rot right there, and it seems to go up and all the way around. And truth be told, I'm not exactly sure that this windshield is even in this truck properly. Yeah, I think we gotta take this out and take a look and see what the looky-loo at what all's going on with looky-loo here. So I got to do that, but the biggest hurdle I think is going to be, and I don't think it's going to be that big of a deal either, is we have to fix that piece of structure right there. That's what holds the headliner in place. I don't think it's causing any other problems. There's a little sunlight right there that needs to be addressed. And yeah, pretty much you need to go through that and get that all worked back right so that the windshield will go in. That's going to be my first project and everything. Hopefully by Thanksgiving, today's November the 1st. Thanksgiving's what, like 2.5, 3 weeks from now. I'll have all the metal work done on the floors and the roof area and everything. That's what my goal is, so that maybe by Christmas I can have the frame off, the body off the frame, and the frame sent out to the sandblaster and have it cleaned and ready to put some Rust-Oleum on there. So anyway, guys, that's what we got going on today. I am going to start today by getting that windshield out of there, and then I will grind it and clean it and see what we got. In the next video, I guess I'll show y'all where we're at. But yeah, we're going to be rocking hard on this. Got the transmission back today, yesterday from a transmission guy. The engine's sitting inside. I just need to bolt the heads on. Got everything for that. If you do know where there's a little short wheelbase 88 bed, let me know. Because I do have a lot of work to do in the bed area. Not sure exactly what I'm going to do there yet, but whatever it is, we'll do it. But yeah, that's it. Johnny Little Dick is about to get going in to get some getting done. And yeah, we'll see how that works out. All right, guys. Well, I got work to do. It's a nice sunny day. It's nice weather. And I'm going to get rocking and a rolling and a rolling and a rocking and start grinding it down. Talk to y'all next time.